Hey, how's it going? It's your boy JB from NI Gardener. Um, it's Christmas, as you can see from behind me. So I'm hoping to wish you all a very Merry Christmas before we get into today's recipe. One thing about Christmas for me is it brings back some really wonderful memories about people who are members of my family but are no longer here. So today I'm gonna run through the recipe for my granny's boiled cake. My granny passed away last year, so it's just nice to think of her roaming about the house just at the minute, having a wee smell of what I've just cooked this afternoon. So yeah, enjoy and have a great Christmas, folks.